The TV news in Sabah, Malaysia shows Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu and Stem Cell's certificate of collaboration in the online signing ceremony on the 11th of August 2020 to increase graduate employability by training students to develop individual stem cell AI social businesses as well as startup case studies.
First of all, our long-time supporter, senior manager of the Australian High Commission, Mr. Adil Akbar, who's been a strong STEM education supporter for many years. In fact, Adil was in Adelaide as a student in electronics engineering, and he was one of the pioneering students in a 1 million ringgit university to school mentoring program in 2002 to 2007, that program. And so I'll start off with Senior Manager of Australian High Commission, Mr. Adil Akbar. Please, Adil, all yours.
Thanks, Peng. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Great. Good morning, everyone. It's lovely to join all of you virtually during this situation. I would like to acknowledge the presence of the Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu Director, the Deputy Director of Academic, as well as the Deputy Director of Academic Support. And also our friends from Adelaide, as Peng Chu has mentioned the names earlier, and also in Malaysia. So I've been told that I've been given just a few minutes, so I'll just do a quick one. Acknowledgement. Firstly, and most importantly, I would like to congratulate both parties for the partnership to collaborate in developing stem cell AI social business startups case studies at the PKK Center of Technology. This includes training Polytechnic KK hospitality students to make artificial intelligence storytelling phone apps to promote hotels and tourism in Sabah affected by COVID-19. So ladies and gentlemen, artificial intelligence is a powerful technology that can boost the economy, raise incomes, and improve our quality of life. They can help solve challenges we face in areas like health and welfare, safety, environment, energy, infrastructure and transport, and importantly, education as well. So from the Australian government, we are working across government, industry, academics, and the community to explore the role of AI in Australia's future, develop the policy, and build our artificial intelligence capacity. One such example is the partnership between the University of Adelaide, State Government of South Australia, and industry partners such as Lockheed Martin. The University of Adelaide's Australian Institute for Machine Learning, or AIML, is a key research institution in machine learning globally, ranked number 1 in the world for 3 key areas of artificial intelligence and machine learning. The cutting-edge research projects from this partnership will bolster South Australia's entrepreneurial activity across a range of industries, from defense to tourism, providing us with new tools and capabilities to ensure that South Australia remains at the forefront of global innovation and enterprise. And I believe the same can be done in Sabah. If I may borrow the words of our High Commissioner to Malaysia, the friendship between Australia and Sabah is very important, and it's all about people. Education is key to Sabah's future, and it's key to our friendship as well. I thus would like to congratulate again Stem Cell Australia again with this partnership with Polytechnic KK Sabah. The success of stem cell education and training approach has produced results on the international stage, as what Peng had mentioned earlier, as they are not only endorsed by the Nobel Prize winner Muhammad Yunus, but also recently mentored winners at the ITEX competition in 2019 in KL. As you can appreciate, education and training are priority areas for both Australia and Malaysia. These are certainly areas where Stem Cell as well as Polytechnic KK can both share in experience and promote opportunities for collaboration. And I wish both of you success in this area. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Adil.